My name is Athoy Neal. I am the marketing assistant at Bashco Trading, and I am a former ward of the state. I was probably about 16 when I went to Wortley Girls' Home. The reason for going there, I was being abused as a child from I was age 8, and I was afraid to talk about it until I reached 16. I was taken from a school, and CDA decided that going back to the home would not have been the perfect place for me at the moment. My abuse was more sexual. It affected me emotionally. I didn't like people coming near me. I never liked talking to people. I preferred to stay by myself and listen to my music. It was recommended that I see a counselor at CDA, but then my first reaction to it was, hell no. I am not going to see a counselor because I'm not a crazy person. It took my counselor probably about 3-4 months before she actually got something out of me. I'd normally go there, she asked me questions, I asked her about the same questions, but she was very patient, and I think she is the best counselor that any child that has been traumatized can have.
Generally, counseling support is provided through our Children and Family Support Unit, and they do direct counseling with the children. We have an MOU with MicroCare, who offers counseling support for our wards free of cost and for our staff at reduced cost. We also do referrals to the Victim Services Division of the Ministry of Justice, and we also do referrals to the Child Guidance Clinic. Those who need more intensive therapy, or our psychologists do provide some intervention, and also the Child Guidance Clinic.
Omar, can you help me with this? I need you to help me to word the contract properly.
No problem.
I did a soft copy and send it to you. The marketing department has exposed me a lot. As I get more experience, I get to learn new stuff. I have a time when I speak very bad, and Alison would say, no, Athoy, that's not how you say it, and she'd correct me, and I'm very appreciative of these corrections. I was sending an email, and my boss said to me, why do you send your email so over formally? I was like, huh? He's like, it's too formal, you know? So he was there teaching me how to send a proper email.
Athoy has a way of applying herself almost for the goal of gaining experience, if not for the task itself, to gain experience and to learn how to improve herself. And she's wonderful. For all of the things she's been through in her life and all of her experiences, she brings all of that together, making herself such a solid person that you can depend on, that you can count on to get things done, to address the issue, to listen, to apply herself to whatever it is she's doing. And it is fantastic what she has become, and who knows where she'll get to next. I just hope she'll continue to work with me.
You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust, I'll rise.
I feel amazing. There are several reasons why I can tell you why I feel amazing. I feel I've grown a lot. I've more matured. And I think, one, persons would say it's unfortunate, but I say everything happens for a reason. Had I not gone through what I went through, I wouldn't be able to assist young girls with things that they're going through or they have been through. I met a lady, she's probably in her 40s. She went through something similar. First time she spoke about it was with me. You know, you've been holding stuff like that in you for so long, and you just never talk until you hear somebody come out, somebody strong enough to come out and talk. Allow no man or woman take anything from you. Allow nobody to take your happiness. Know that you can be better. You can be whatever you want to be. Don't be what somebody wants you to be. Be what you want to be.